So this has to be one of the more eye-opening things at CES. So these are drones that are used in warfare. Now, what I find really interesting about this is these are the same types of drones that we'd use for like FPV. They're using like off-the-shelf flight controllers, off-the-shelf antennas, but these guys are what they're calling one-way drones, which is terrifying to think about, but the idea is you strap explosives to them, fly them where they need to be, and they don't come back. That's opposed to something like this, similar concept, using, again, off-the-shelf style motors, but this is meant to drop payloads over a battlefield. You can see a bunch of servos down there that they'd be able to trigger remotely and bring that out. A really cool display of tech, but again, just crazy to think about. And then over here is the other side of that battle. So this is a radio frequency jammer. This thing is absolutely insane. And the way they have it built is they have a bunch of different frequencies that you could jam tied to all of these buttons. So when you're in the field and the enemy's flying on a certain frequency, they get that information, they push button 1, and that drone will literally drop out of the sky. These antennas are absolutely insane. This type of device could get you arrested and have the FBI at your door if you had it in North America. Messing with radio frequencies isn't something you want to do. Another really interesting thing is this pilot base station. So this is where they would actually fly the drones out of. The screen would display the drone's heads-up display, and then in here, they have a bunch of really enhanced antennas to allow them to fly up to 30 kilometers long. Again, what's crazy is this is something called TBS Crossfire. It's something us consumers use when we're building FPV drones, and this stuff is being used out in a battlefield. Again, this is just kind of crazy to see in front of me. It's a really cool representation on the tech side of things, but yeah, absolutely wild.